It's the last day of August, friends. Let's wrap up the month with one more awesome word. Today's word is determine. Can you say it out loud? Determine. Great job. Let's spell it together, nice and steady. D-E-T-E-R-M-I-N-E. That spells determine. Determine means to figure something out or decide after thinking carefully. Here are some words that mean almost the same as determine. Say them with me. Decide. Resolve. Establish. Define. Calculate. Identify. Judge. Pause and review and really soak in the synonyms. Each one adds more meaning to your vocabulary. And here are words that mean the opposite of determine. Guess. Doubt. Ignore. Hesitate. Waver. Disregard. Overlook. Great job. Pause here and review the antonyms. Here's a great example. Sofia determined the best route to finish her chores quickly. Let's review. Determine means to figure something out or decide after thinking carefully. Synonyms. Decide. Resolve. Establish. Define. Calculate. Identify. Judge. Antonyms. Guess. Doubt. Ignore. Hesitate. Waver. Disregard. Overlook. Every time you determine something, big or small, you're using your brain power to make smart choices. Today's challenge: determine the best way to finish something you're working on, maybe your chores, a puzzle, or a project. The world is full of discoveries, and each time you determine something new, you grow wiser and stronger. What an amazing month August has been! We explored so many powerful words together, each one helping you learn, grow, and shine. Now September is here, and with it comes a brand new adventure of words waiting just for you. So keep your curiosity alive, bring your determination, and let's make next month even more exciting. See you in September on Word Up with Sophia.